Hello everyone, and thanks for watching. I am about to install some florals on this arbor. Here it is about 4 feet long, and the flowers that I'm using are pink O'Hara, which is a garden rose, and I'm also using Playa Blanca, Salal, Ruscus. I'm using some spray roses. They're the Burgundy spray roses. I'm using wine-colored carnations, and I'm using some, I think it's called Queen Pitt, and it's variegated. It's really pretty, and I'm also using some red hanging Amaranthus. And I'm right here. I'm keeping myself hydrated. I think this particular day, it was about maybe 85, 87 degrees. I was loving this breeze that was coming through here. It was feeling really good. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. And here, you guys, I'm just making sure my wire is secure. I did use zip ties to kind of hold it in place, and then I went back with my wire to secure everything. And here I am just placing in all my greens to cover up my mechanics. And here I am beginning to go in with my flowers. These are pink O'Hara. Once again, these are the red carnations that I mentioned. I did put some hydrangeas in here, and I used some light pink mojolika spray rose. And I'm just trying to use all my flowers to fill this in to make this look pretty. I think it came out well, lush and beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thanks, everyone.